okay? Okay, Joshy's going to read a book. What does this word say?
Tubby.
Tubby.
Go.
Okay, what does this word say, Joshy?
What?
Are you going to read your book?
What?
What's your work? What does this word say?
Tubby time.
Very good. How about this?
I need it.
I'm naked. And this word? We. Very good.
I go.
And I go. Splash. Very good.
Looking. I put bubbles.
I play with bubbles. How about this word?
Sit there. Clown.
Clown.
Bunny. Mommy. Poodle.
Very good.
I wash your hair.
Wash my hair.
Rinse.
And?
Rinse.
Okay.
Up there.
And what's this one say?
Ah.
And how about this one?
Up there.
All better. Okay. This word here?
Kick.
Kick, kick. Very good. How about this one up here? I practice.
Swimming.
Okay. I practice swimming. How about this word here?
Rowboat.
Motorboat. And this word? Okay. What's this sentence?
Cat. Duckies.
I count my.
Duckies.
And this one?
I count toes.
I count my toes. Good.
Wash the berry.
I wash all around my belly button. This one?
Get out.
Time. What's this word say?
Time
to
get out.
Very good. What's this here?
Baby.
Where's
Tee-hee.
Tee-hee. How about this one?
Mommy got me.
Okay, how about this one?
Daddy the bathroom.
Daddy dressed the bathroom. Very good. We. Can you point to the word we? Very good. Okay. What's this word here?
Supper time.
Very good.
Tickle, tickle.
Very good.
Awkward.
All clean. And what does the dog say?
Woof, woof,
Woof,
woof.
woof, woof. Which word says woof? Very good. How about the word that says all clean? Very good. Yay!
And this is Joshy, smart boy, 2 years old.